Dream to become the next Sir Isaac Newton or Albert Einstein?
Learn physics from Professor Suborno Isaac Bari. Let's start today's remote learning with Do Now.
We are going to start this lecture in remembrance of Andrewcuss. He was a great singer who transformed our life in many ways. Hello everybody, my name is Professor Suborno Isaac Bari, and today we're going to start rotational motion with we're going to start the unit of rotational motion starting with radial measurement. So we will start with the do now. So for the do now, let's say you have two slices of a different circle. So let me draw their chords. So now we have a length L of the arc length L, which will we'll call this L, and this R, I guess.
One is radial and one is arc.
Yeah.
No, one is chord and one is an arc.
Oh.
A chord is this line that separates the circular section from the triangular one.
So what is the problem, Professor? What is the question?
In what scenario is L almost equal to R?
When the angle is small.
When the angle is small.
Okay.
By the way, you did not draw the angle, Professor.
Okay.
Yeah. Is the angle theta?
Yeah. We'll call
So
it
I think
theta.
the scenario A is in scenario A. I don't know which one is scenario A, which one is scenario B. Can you write some?
Let's call this A and B.
So I think scenario B, I think in scenario B, chord is equal to arc is equal to chord.
So R equals L.
Chord is
No.
R theta is equal to
Okay.
What is he saying? Talk. Speak English.
Anyways, we're going to get back to the lesson, starting with the lesson, of course.
I mean, come on, give me a break. Arc theta is equal to arc theta is equal to arc theta is equal. I mean, give me a break. What did you say? No, it doesn't make sense.
Yeah, that didn't really make sense. Now, let me start with
Our professor never had a speaker.
Totally not sarcastic, everybody. Totally not sarcastic. So, let's say we have a bird. So let's say we have a bird over here.
doesn't matter what kind of bird.
No. What do you mean? What kind of bird? Now, so let's say the bird's eye can distinguish objects that subtend an angle up to 3 times 10 raised to the negative 4 radians. So this angle theta is equal to 3 times 10 raised to negative 4 radians. And let's say the length of this chord is going to be equal to the size of the prey. Now, we're treating the bird's eye as a point mass, and we're estimating it as that because the bird's eye is kind of small. So, 3 times 10 raised to the negative 4 radians. So, the first question I'm going to pose is how many degrees is that? So, converting from radians to degrees.
So hold on, let's understand. You did not draw the bird, but you're talking about the bird. So the bird is on the top. I mean, bird is in the sky, and bird looking at the earth, right?
Looking at the prey, not the earth.
Right. I mean, the
It
bird
was
looks.
a giant birdzilla.
So bird looking at the food, right?
Yeah, prey.
Prey means food, right? Prey will,
Living food.
yeah, living food. Or prey will turn to food.
Yeah.
Okay. So how big what would be the minimum bigness of the food
Bigness.
so that the
Bigness. Bigness.
bird can see?
Bigness.
For the lack of
Bigness.
for the lack of better word. So what would be the word? Let's turn to the other guy who has a problem with English. Yeah.
Sizeability.
What do you mean? This-
Sizeability.
Speak English.
Nonsense. It's just the size of the prey.
He said size via
Sizeability.
size ability.
Yeah, I still don't think that's English for me.
I think he put different word from different language and put it together.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, so professor.
He just
So-
mashed two English words
So
together.
now the bird looking at the prey means food, and how big the food. What would be the how big? What would be the minimum bigness? I mean,
Bigness. I said that. I posed that as a question.
so how big? What is the minimum?
You don't have to pose that garbage word anymore. Okay. So let's start by converting radians to degrees. So 3 times 10 raised to the negative 4 times 180 over pi, of course. So that's what
Pi red. Professor, you didn't write red.
Really?
And pi red.
Yeah.
Really? I have to?
Yes.
Yes, you have to, Professor.
So 5.4 times 10 raised to the negative 2 over pi.
You mean negative? Oh,
Okay.
that's it.
No. Somebody.
So I have it. 5.4 over. Okay.
Mr. Rodriguez.
1.72 times 10 to the minus.
Hold on. 5.4 divided by?
No, times 10 raised to the negative 2, right?
That's what I got.
Alright, good.
Exactly.
1 point?
Not exactly. It's like 0.
Okay, Professor, we don't have to rephrase that.
Yeah. I'm going to be this precise because
So what is
I
it?
know
Is
you're
it
going-
meter or second?
Like meter or second?
Or what is it?
Wrong with it? Degrees.
Oh, degrees, okay.
Now,
So theta is, you should write theta. Professor, theta is 1.72 times 10 raised to. Your handwriting is very sloppy. Oh, sorry.
how dare you disrespect your professor? Okay, anyways, we are going to now try to solve B. L is what when H is not here. So, now we can use simple tricks to find this. Simple tricks to find this. So we know this is 100, and we know theta is 0.017. We're just going to approximate that, 0.02. And then we're going to, so 0.02 and 100. So we're going to tan theta equal to opposite over adjacent. So opposite is what we're trying to find. So A tan theta. So what is tan of 0.02?
Tan of 0.02, I got it. Tan of what?
Tan of 0.02.
0.0003. So
Zero?
3 zeros before 3.
So 3 times 10 raised to the negative 4
That's right.
times 100, which is equal to 3 times 10 raised to the negative 2 meters, or 3 centimeters.
Wow, thank you. Prof.
Sorry to disappoint you, but the actual answer
Subscribe to Bari Science Lab to fall in love with math and science, especially programming.